Goeiedag allemaal, ik ben Tina. Hi guys, so welcome back to my channel, and I just want to say thank you for those of you that are still subscribed to my channel, and those of you that are going to subscribe, and those of you who are not subscribed to my channel. I just want to say thank you for the patience, and I am back, and I just want to share something with you today, and it has to do with my hair bonnet. I made this myself, and I have been selling on my Instagram and my Facebook page and my web shop as well, and I thought it's gonna be a good idea just to share it on my YouTube channel as a comeback video. So it's really cute, it's like really comfortable, you can wear it wherever with whatever you want to wear it with, and you can sleep with it, and it's just like the perfect bad hair days cover. When you feel like, oh, my hair is terrible, this is what you need. This is my bad hair day. So, and I have my hair bonnet on, and another quick review, there's an amazing color inside. It's pink, and it's all pink, guys, like all pink. Like, who wouldn't want to have this? This is what you need to survive your bad hair days. You can have bad hair inside and still look all cute outside. How cute do I look? I don't even have makeup on, and I'm like so cute. I'm so cute. But so you need this in your life, guys. It's available on my web shop. It's available on my Instagram. I'm gonna put a link. I'm gonna put the link right here of my web shop so you can check it out. So thank you guys. Share this video and like it as well, and subscribe to my channel because there's more coming from all this cuteness. So I see you in my next video.